Do you like Chinese food? Well, if you do, and you've been to a Chinese restaurant, the chances are you've tried lychees. Tinned lychees. You know what they're like. White, sweet fruit. What do you think lychees look like in the wild? Nothing like that. In fact, there's one up in the tree. A red, knobbly thing. Looks most unlike the thing coming out of a tin. Here's a handful. And the lychee that you want to eat is underneath that sort of scaly red covering. Let's get into that and see what it looks like. Here we go. Peel that off with either a knife or your fingers, and you can see a much more familiar shape coming up inside there. White, sweet lychee fruit. And that has to be done with all of them. And the flavour is absolutely terrific. Much better than the tinned lychees. Tinned lychees have a hollow in the middle, and you can see there's a seed inside there as well. Well, if the real lychee, the raw lychee, is better than the tinned one, there's something a lot better than these. And it's a fruit fairly new to Australia, a spiky sort of lychee-looking thing. It's a relative, and it's called a rambutan, and it comes from Malaysia. Rambutans are new here, but they're wonderful, and the chances are you'll hear a lot about the rambutan from now on.